Welcome back. Prom season is upon us once again, and while parents want their children to have a good time, they also want them to be safe. There are also some legal ramifications for parents if prom should get a bit out of control. Joining us now is Mickey Smith from Lesser Landy & Smith to talk about these potential liabilities. Thank you so much for joining us, Mr. Smith. So historically, everyone worries about drinking and driving when it comes to teens around the prom season.
Sure.
Now, apparently, parents are doing the limos, they're doing Ubers and Lyfts. Does that eliminate that risk, or does that maybe even encourage drinking even more?
Well, it can. I think it lowers the risks, obviously, of kids behind the wheel, but I think the concern is a lot of parents feel like, well, I've gotten the limo, my job is done.
Sure. And so, you know, parents, they have to be so careful. And a lot of times they really say, you know, oh, if you're going to drink, stay at my house. Or, you know, they take all the keys. But parents have to be careful because they could get in a lot of trouble.
Times have changed. The law now is very strict. If you serve alcohol to a child, you're liable if the child hurts himself or others. But it goes beyond that. If you have a party at your home and kids bring alcohol in, and you don't take reasonable steps to make sure kids aren't drinking, you can still be held liable. Reasonable steps doesn't mean walking into your bedroom, closing the door, and hoping for the best. You've got to be proactive as a parent.
What do you suggest? What can parents do to make things a bit safer?
Well, if the party's at your house, greet the kids as they come. Make sure who's coming. Don't allow party crashers.
Know everybody who's there.
Yes, know everybody that's there. Don't let kids leave and come back. Enlist other parents to help you supervise. If it's indoor, outdoor, have somebody inside and outside. Be proactive, do your job. Be a parent, not a buddy. If your kid's having a prom party, they already have plenty of buddies. They need a parent that night.
When it comes to legalities, what are some other concerns that you may have when it comes to prom night?
Well, anytime a child is drinking, they could be injured in a variety of ways. If they fall down, you could be liable if this occurred in your property. If there's a fight, you could be liable. Sometimes kids get into the family firearms, God forbid. There's liability there. So it's a night with a lot of danger, a lot of risk, which leads to a lot of liability for parents.
And I know parents, they try to do as much as they can. You try to get that Uber, that Lyft, that limo to make sure they're safe, and you try to have the talk with them, but there's only so much they can do.
That's a good start, but that's not the end. I think that's a mistake a lot of parents make. They think, I got the limo, I'm covered.
I'm good to go, right?
You're not.
And if there was a website that people can go and get some more information for parents out there that are concerned about this prom night.
There's a great website, power2parents.org.
What are they going to find there?
They're going to find tips for hosting a party. They're going to find tips if your kid's going to another parent's
And that's
home.
a good point too. Just be, if they're not at your house, you're wondering where are they going or where do they say they're going.
Be proactive. Don't be a buddy, be a parent.
That's great advice. All right, so make sure your kiddos are safe on prom night. It can be a very fun, memorable night if everyone makes it home safely.
Safe.
Thanks. Really good advice. We appreciate it.